Hello, how are you feeling about the retreat? How is it for you? How is the experience? Can you share a little bit, please?
That was very, very special. We came here with an open mind, not knowing what to expect, and coming to as a visitor, and my heart has been open once again, and it's always good to be open-hearted and open-minded and being accepted so well by this loving community here at Anand Gram. The food was amazing. The meditation sessions was even more amazing. And we've met so many heartwarming people who have just accepted us like family members. So everywhere we go, we already feel like family members. So I would really recommend anybody can come to Anand Gram whenever they run the next retreat. You will not regret it, and they will accept you with open arms, and you will definitely leave here feeling very connected to yourself and to nature and to your purpose in life. Namaste.